project name is plant disease detection. So this is our train code. First, we need to import the Trackaway libraries like NumPy for the numerical handling and Pandas and Matplotlib. So it will display for the visualization we are using and torch. So daytime. Yeah, first we need to import the Trackaway libraries. After that, we are defining the transformations like it is resized to 255, center crops to 24 and 2 times of. First, we need to load the dataset. After loading the dataset, pre-processing will happen. And then we are splitting the dataset into 85% for the training and 15% for the testing. So here we are keeping batch size equal to 64. And then we are creating date loader like a train loaders, validation loader, test loader. After that, we are defining our model. So we are using a CNN model. So we have totally 4 blocks. Each block we have 2 convolution layer. And then we are initializing our model equal to CNN of target size to the device. And then we are loading optimizer. So here we are training the model. After training, we are calculating its accuracies and we are displaying it. At last, we are saving the module here. So here I have created like a contact, homepage, index, login, market, register, submit, and text. So this is our web page like home, AI engine. So this is our supplement pages and this is our contact page. So if you have any query means you can contact through this and home page. So see here, AI engine. If you not login means first it will ask for login. Once if you login means you can access that. So see here, we can choose the files. So this is our testing images. So I'm clicking this. So this is strawberry healthy. So once if we click submit means it will display as strawberry healthy and that healthy plants it will display here. So to maintain that healthy plants, here it is suggesting some fertilizer. So if you click this buy product means directly it will go and we can buy from here. So if it is like it is healthy, right? If it is disease means based on that it will suggest fertilizer. So we can use that. And here it is showing this tip to grow the healthy plants and its benefits showing here. So I will upload some other images. So this is pepper well. This is also healthy. So to maintain that healthy, it is suggesting some fertilizers and we can buy the product from here. So every product we are keeping in supplements, but based on our trained code, it is predicting the leaf whether it is healthy or disease. If it is healthy means for that it is suggesting the supplement. So if it is disease means for that it will suggest some other supplements.